Hey everyone, welcome back to Unraveled. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google Gemini Pro completely free along with 2 TB cloud storage. That's right, no credit card required, no hidden fees, and yes, this work in 2025. Whether you are using it for content creation, coding, research, or just everyday tasks, Gemini Pro is one of the most powerful AI tool out there. And now you can unlock the Pro version, 2 TB of cloud storage without paying a dime. So if you have been waiting for the perfect time to start using Google Advanced AI, hit that play button and let's dive in. So first we need to install a VPN extension. So I am gonna search the VPN. And this is the VPN I am going to install. Add to Chrome, add extension, and it's added. Now go to the VPN extension and then select United States. Click on enable and it's connected. Now I am going to enter the URL 1.google.com/join/AI-student and then click on enter. Now it will take a few moments. Now my internet connection is slow. The reason is the VPN. So no worry, just wait a few moments. And after that, go to the bottom and then click on get student offer. And there you go, finally we have got Gemini Pro. Now we can use all Pro version. So I will give you the link in my description box. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.